Justin Labato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to showcase the Marine 31 line of products. With that, we have a 1-2 knockout combo here. Now, these products could be purchased separately and or together. And what is it, you say? It is our Marine 31 stainless steel liquid polish and our Marine 31 stainless steel liquid sealant. Now, the first step in this combo is gonna be the Marine 31 stainless steel liquid polish. Now, this is a thick formula and a white material. So this material, when it touches gel coat, it won't stain. So you won't have to worry about that. The other side of that is you could use this polish on either a hand applicator or by machine. It's very versatile in its application process. With that, this polish will help remove light oxidation, any element staining, any rust staining, and leave a nice high finish because it's more of a medium cut. So with that, once you polish the surface with the Marine 31 stainless steel liquid polish, you're gonna wanna go ahead and remove the product. And then from there, you're gonna move into the secondary step, which is gonna be the Marine 31 stainless steel liquid sealant. Now, the great thing about this sealant, it is a metal dedicated sealant, which basically means that this was made specifically to help seal metals. And that is gonna be backed by the acrylic-based polymer sealant chemistry that's involved with this product. This is something that's gonna give you up to 6 months worth of protection on all your stainless steel surfaces. Now, both of these products can be used on not just stainless steel, but also aluminum, chrome, and the diamond plating as well. That can be very pesky to work with sometimes. As to where with this combination, not only will it help you polish up the surface, but also protect the surface with a great premium sealant that's on the market. So for more information about Marine 31 products, or of course, the Marine 31 stainless steel liquid polish or the Marine 31 stainless steel liquid sealant, visit autogeek.com.